Hey guys, Ryan and Lee here from Theme Park Ohana, and Jeremy, who's hiding somewhere. Wait, get in, wait, put your hand over here.
Hand over here.
There he is. We're here at Animal Kingdom. We'll hang out for a couple hours. Figured we'd bring you guys along, so let's go. Jerm, what do you have to tell Mom?
We didn't get selected.
We did not get randomly selected.
I did.
No, you didn't.
That's a lie.
That's a lie. We walked right past those security guards. Look at the parrots. Crying. They're not angry. They're just hanging around. They're just chilling.
People looking at us.
They're actually people watching.
Oh, okay. So they're making fun of us.
Yes. Jerm, what's this tree called?
I don't know.
Ryan, what's this tree called?
Tree of Death.
Tree of Death.
Tree Street.
No, it's the Tree of Life.
I thought you said the street.
No, I said what's the name of the tree?
Oh, Tree of Life, duh.
No, it's too late. Jerm said it's the Tree of Death. So Jerm wanted to walk through Pandora first, and there's still, what's it, 11 a.m.? That's like 11:30 a.m. And there's still plenty of people
It's raining.
are coming here for Pandora. These are pretty cool. 85-minute wait for Navi River Journey. It's busy.
Now that's the way to connect. Zoom!
There goes Ryan. He doesn't look like he knows what he's doing. Jeremy's participating. Why are you participating? They made you. I love this waterfall. We're going for the floating rocks of Mahara. Why are you complaining?
My hands hurt.
But from the drums?
Yeah.
So it's 120 minutes right now at 11:46 for Flight of Passage. We have to get Kirsten before that.
Raining.
I'm not feeling very confident about Kilimanjaro Safari, and it's raining. Run! Get out of the rain! And the rain has started. Look, they're just coming out to perform too. It's like a quick little shower. So we decided, since it's so busy, we're just going to do the Maharajah. Is that how you say it? Maharajah?
Maharajah.
Maharajah. Jungle Trek. Are you excited?
Monkeys.
And dragons. And I think I laughed at Ryan when he said dragons. Look how cool. Hi, Mr. Dragon. It's raining on you. Mr. Komodo Dragon, are you ready for your close-up? No, he's not breathing any fire. We decided Jerm is going to be the leader of this jungle trek.
No.
Because Ryan is only leading us into getting soaking wet.
What is this? I don't control the weather here, sir.
Well, I bet Jeremy would keep us dry, right, Jerm? Oh, never mind then. All hope is lost. Oh, you're so cool. So we were just told that this is the male of the group.
He was yawning.
Yeah, he's a little bored. It's rain. It's a rainy day. He needs to take a nap. Germ! Germ, I'm not allowed to feed you. The rat is just sleeping in the rain. He has no cares in the world. All the bats must be in the bat cave. We better call Commissioner Gordon to send up the bat signal. Don't touch the phone. What's wrong with you? Ryan, what are you looking for? What are you looking for? There's only the one.
Yeah, seriously, there's only one bat.
You can't see him from here. Jeremy says we must go up. You said we must. Oh, we can. Let's do it then.
All this beauty, but no time.
It's sticking the camera right through the fence so I can get a good view of this ruined fountain type thingy. It's pretty cool. There are no animals here though. More ruins. Jerem, how do we speak the native tongue?
I will.
You just did it. Ryan, you want to do it for him now since he's being shy? Rawr. Jeremy said we could call him in. If we just go, rawr. Hello, Mr. Cat. Yeah, see, Jeremy, you called him out.
I'll send it to you.
Just walking around in the rain. Look, it's coming right at us. They said we're safe as long as we stay on the well-traversed paths. Big paw. Look, he just wants to be pet. He just wants to play. We're doing some refurb on this little section where you can usually look out over the lawns. My boys leaving me for dead. Another really cool like fountain play area for the tiger. I like it. Look, all the toys are in the water. I don't know if you can see it, but these birds are not happy about this fence. Is he gonna attack the fence again? He's thinking about it. Or that, or there's bugs on the other side. There he goes. Germ, have webbed feet, will travel. Looks like they're marching. They're migrating. Where are they migrating to?
Look at the baby.
What is this? Ah! Hey, buddy.
Looks like Zoe gets out of the bed.
Jerem, more ducks.
Look up.
Hey guys.
Stop playing, look up.
Got a little scratch? Got a little itch?
Yeah, you got it.
These are cool.
Oh, God, Mom.
This guy's eating. Hungry. These guys are hungry. Looks like they're, she's checking on everybody.
So I haven't seen her sometimes.
Probably checking the tags. Make sure everybody's accounted for at lunchtime. They're really pretty. Apparently this fountain in the middle of the aviary is not very popular with the birding community. There's nobody here. Look at this crazy plant. Looks like a giant honeysuckle. And once again, the boys left me behind.
Oh, look how cute. They're all so close together.
Very crowded over here. Holy moly, it's the most crowded I've seen it here in a while. Jeremy was getting hot and hungry. What do we have? Oh, Mickey Ear ice cream sandwich. How is it? It's just okay. It's just okay. Bye, Russell. That's Judy Hopps. I want Ratatouille. He's down on the bottom. Oh my god. He's got a little chef outfit. Oh my goodness, Jeremy's so cute. How much is he? It's on the back of the tag, or maybe it's in the tag.
Oh, $16.95.
$16.95 for that little Ratatouille? It's almost worth it because he's so cute. What'd you say?
Dad, look.
What?
My mouth.
And what's it say?
Doesn't say anything.
Yeah, he goes, mine?
But it's his.
Mine?
But, oh yeah, the fish do say mine.
Mine? Mine?
Look. Look though. The fish do say mine.
What's wrong? What's he say?
I don't know.
Don't he remember? He looks up at the light.
The hand.
No, he goes, oh, no, the claw. The claw. What did you discover? Hold on, it's not focused. Hold on. Jerem, what did you discover?
The mascot of these things is Stitch.
Oh, and what do they do?
They do.
Can you give the audience a demonstration?
I don't know, I can't read Japanese.
No, I think it's Chinese, and try taking it off and doing what it wants you to do. It's grabbing on Orion's neck. Right, it's grabbed a hold of Jeremy's arm. Oh, they're cool.
I can't.
You're too big?
No, you need this one.
You're too giant.
Too calm. Oh no.
Ooh, I think Minnie likes you. Oh look, this guy's here bragging. Why?
Because I got back row and walked right on.
On Everest. I got back row and walked right on. What? It's a bug's life. No, Everest. You gotta say what you're riding. Jerem, read this important announcement.
As you can see,
Mosquito prevention.
Oh, you think they would put it on both sides?
Mosquito prevention program. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC,
How many times have you been bitten by a mosquito this year?
the best way to prevent any disease spread by mosquitoes is to avoid
Hello?
being bitten.
How many
Once.
times? Oh, you did get bit once. I have not been bit once.
0.
You got 0?
Mainly because they don't go anywhere.
Mainly because I stay in the house. No, the walk of shame. The walk of shame out of Animal Kingdom.
Yay!
Alright guys, we are out of here with our, we had a short trip, right?
Yeah, it was like 2 hours.
Yeah, 2 hours at Animal Kingdom. Got to enjoy the, what was the name of the trek?
The Mohari
trek.
Trail.
And that's, was basically the highlight of our trip.
There's no bets.
There was one bet.
There was one bet. Where all the bets go?
Who knows? But if you enjoy our videos,
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
alright, catch you guys next time.